Here's something like that. Washington becomes thirsty to allow punishment for stealthing. No, we're not talking about camping like stealth camping. This is different, but pertaining to sexual assault and victim. A new law went into effect July 1st that aims to bring in a path to justice for sexual assault victims.
Defined as tampering or removing a sexually protective device without consent. Now victims have the power to bring civil lawsuits against their partners. Washington's new stealthing law is paving the way for sexual assault victims to come forward.
I did not consent to unprotected sex, and I felt deeply violated.
Back in February, Mina Hashemi testified before the Senate's legal committee in favor of House Bill 1958. She said she had consented to having protected sex with a man, but was shocked to find out that the condom had been removed without her consent.
I experienced deep anxiety about unwanted pregnancy and sexually transmitted infections. I missed work to see my doctor for testing and had to spend money on Plan B.
Stealthing laws typically involve condoms, but in Washington, the definition of protective devices is broader. It includes condoms, diaphragms, cervical caps, and any other barrier that is meant to deter pregnancy and the spread of disease. Now victims can file civil lawsuits.
Give victims a clear pathway to file a civil suit. The burden of proof is much lower in a civil suit than in a criminal case, and also the victim doesn't have to depend upon a prosecutor to file the case.
On the House floor, the bill had some pushback from state representatives who argued the bill wasn't fair to men. Attorney Mark Lindquist, who has handled criminal assault cases, tells me this law does not criminalize stealthing, but he said it is a step forward for victims.
In addition to making the process of filing a civil suit more clear, the bill also sends a message that if you do this, you could be held civilly liable.
And those who testified said that this new law gives victims more resources, and under this new law, perpetrators could pay up to $5,000 in damages per offense. We're now reporting in Seattle, Karina Vargas, KOMO News.